If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket and wireless card. Then disconnect display cable. Next, unscrew and lift right hinge. Then unscrew and lift left hinge. Now remove display assembly. Then use fingers to gently pry apart display bezel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.